Okay, so this video is for the traditional method of multiplication. In 5th grade, we're really trying to get the students to use this method more than the other ones that they've learned in previous years, because it's going to be a little bit quicker when they're working with a lot of digits like in this problem. So we always start with a digit that's in the ones place, and we're going to multiply it by all the digits going across the top. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12, down to 2, carry the 1, because we can't put 2 digits in one place. Then we're going to do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then we're going to add in the 1, which makes it 7, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Now I always cross it out when I add it, so that I don't accidentally add it again when doing different digits. So now we're going to move over to the tens place. And 10 has 1 0 in it, so we're going to put 1 0 as a placeholder 0 before we do any multiplying. And then we're going to take that 3 and multiply it by all the digits going across the top. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Again, we can't put 2 digits, so put down the 2, and we're going to carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So now we're moving over to the 100s place. 100 has 2 zeros, so we have to put 2 placeholder zeros before we can do any multiplying. So 1, 2, and then we're going to take the 5 and multiply it all the way across the top. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20, so we have to put down the 0 and carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1, and then 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. Now we're going to add all 3 of those up. The most important part to remember when you're adding and you're putting all your numbers down here is to keep the places lined up. So all the 1s are lined up, all the 10s are lined up, and so on. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus that is 14. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1. And then we can go in and put our commas, and that's our final answer. So hopefully this helps with traditional multiplication.